Hello again and welcome to my attempt at today's polygonal puzzle. The idea is simply to guess a word, and where the symbol at the top is repeated, the letter is repeated. So I don't know for sure that those are S's and E's, but they're common letters, so I thought I'd put them in and see if anything spring to mind. It would probably have to be an OU ending, and I'm not sure I'm liking the look of that. Spacious. That's not a word, is it? Didn't think so. So let's go back to putting E's. If it's an R, I don't know how this word is going to end is the problem. So I'm thinking maybe E's at the end, E's at the start rather, are not the way to go. Because an ER ending is quite common. Then these blue triangles in the top right would surely need to be a vowel. O or I, probably not U, could be A. All I can think of is robot. I don't think roboteer is a word, it would be EER rather than IER. And these two have a different symbol at the top, so they can't be the same letter, which doesn't help us. How about if it's an ING ending? That would just mean we need to start with a G, and it would mean that these two are the same, so possibly A's, possibly O's. I'm not sure I like the look of that either. I'm struggling today. Let's go back to S's because it could just be a plural and then we only have to think about 7 letters. Could be T. So in fact, yes, stations would work, wouldn't it? Let's try that and see if it gives us any information at all. We've got 3 of the correct letters, but none of the ones that are duplicated. The S's and the T's were wrong. So, what does that mean? Right, it's not going to start and end with a vowel, is it? So that could be an N. But then it would probably end TION, which it obviously can't. So maybe that's not correct. It could still have a few E's dotted around. In fact, I like the ER ending better because it could be, I suppose it could be an A there and an O there. No, because we would need a vowel second and fourth, wouldn't we? I don't know what to do with this. I don't know, is it more likely that the O is repeated? If those two are O's, we would still need an A. Could be there, but then it would have to start with an N. Or that could be an N. It's not monorail. Monorail does not start and end with the same letter. It's not a C because it's not an IC ending. These 3 letters can be anything. We would need an A somewhere. Monofarm. I suppose it could be an ACH ending or something like that. I really don't know where to go with this. It's not even ANT ending or an AND. I suppose it could be an ARD, but then it would have to start with a D. I might just have to go for another guess that I know can't be correct, just to give myself a bit more information. So I want the word. I need to find out what these repeated letters are. And I need to try a D and an R, I think, and possibly an E, maybe an L. There's so many letters that I want to try. I definitely want to try a word with a duplicated A or O, because then I'll know whether this is an A or an O. Let's try, oops, let's start at the beginning. Let's try colonial. It's not correct because the first and last letters aren't the same, but at least we'll know a little bit more about some of the positions. Okay, so we've got several letters in the correct positions. That's good to know. Where are the N, or where is the N going to go? There could be two N's. It could start and end with N, or there could just be one N. What is it going to start and end with? Monogram. I was really close with mono. Should have carried on along that train of thought. Again, I think that's quite a difficult one. No common letters, or no E's or S's or T's anyway. So I think 3 guesses is quite good for that, if I do say so myself. Let me know how you got on. If you've watched to the end, thank you. Like and subscribe. That will definitely help. And that's Polygonle. Thank you for watching, and bye for now.